As a business professional, you might often find yourself buried under lengthy transcripts from various virtual meetings and discussions. We all know that going through these audio or video files can be really time-consuming and overwhelming, but the fact of the matter is, you have AI technology nowadays which luckily provide you with a practical solution to these challenges. In this video, we're going to dive into how AI, particularly ChatGPT, offers a great solution by transforming your transcripts into very accurate and actionable summaries. So what AI can summarize transcripts? Managing lengthy meeting transcripts has become a significant challenge for many professionals. Thankfully, AI technology has solved this problem. It helps you transform spoken words into concise written summaries. This innovation is crucial for anyone looking to save time and focus on key insights from their meetings, including meeting notes. Advanced AI tools, including ChatGPT 4 Turbo and 4o, have revolutionized how we handle transcripts. These tools analyze extensive documents, identifying and extracting crucial information like major decisions, central themes, or key points. Platforms like Tactiq utilize these AI advancements, particularly ChatGPT, to offer a more efficient way of summarizing meetings. They employ what's called natural language processing to ensure that the summaries are brief, meaningful, and contextually rich. The primary advantage here is that you're going to be saving time instead of, like sifting through pages of text, which can be professional. And now, professionals can quickly access the heart of the matter, making it easier to stay informed and make decisions. AI tools not only summarize meeting transcripts effectively, but they also help in making informed decisions by focusing on things like summarizing key data points. This AI-driven approach isn't limited, though, to one kind of file. The technology does adapt when dealing with VTT, PDF, TXT, or DOCX formats. This flexibility ensures that the outcome is a clear and concise summary, no matter the source, be it detailed transcripts or brief meeting notes. As we dive deeper, we're going to explain how this technology is exemplified by platforms like ours, Tactiq, and it is simplified and helps you go through those processes for different transcript formats in a very easy manner. First, what I would do is I would install Tactiq on Chrome. It's absolutely free. So if you go to the Chrome store, you can simply install it. And after it's installed, go to your account and sign in. Then we're going to go to our integrations section. So if we go to account and settings and then integrations, you'll see that I already have things like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom connected. If I didn't have it connected, similar to how it shows here for WebEx, I would press connect, and then it would connect to that platform. Now, all this simply does is if I go into a meeting right here, you'll see that my meeting is actually going to transcribe what's going on. So in this video, we're talking about how Tactiq can transcribe these things in real time, and you can get summaries from transcription files. So yeah, this is simply just, it's showing everything I'm saying. I'm giving it some text so it can work with it, so I can show you the functionality of the product we have. After the meeting, what you can do is you can actually access the full transcript with the speaker's name and what they said. You'll also see sentences you've highlighted and the automatic highlights generated by Tactiq. So let's dive into our actual meeting notes and show you what that looks like. I'm going to end the call, and then it'll pop up as a fully generated transcript. As you can see, it popped up with the notes here, and I can annotate it any way I'd like. And I can actually ask questions with AI if it's over 2 minutes. So we're going to show you an example of that real quick. Here we go. We have this right here. We have the ability to generate responses with AI. As you can see, I can make a short summary and generate action items. I can only do one prompt at a time. So let's just go back to back here. In this meeting, Dimitri and Tala discussed the idea of creating a knowledge base using text cortex to train team members on various aspects of SaaS content strategy. Yep, perfect. So what's happening here is essentially that a summary and action items are extracted by OpenAI in the backend. So OpenAI is extracting these action items and this short summary from the meeting notes. You get 10 free monthly meetings if you sign up to Tactiq and try it out today. But if you want to transform your video meetings into these great AI responses, it is $12 monthly for the Pro plan with unlimited meetings, auto highlights, and meeting summaries. Not only does Tactiq improve your live meeting experience by providing real-time transcriptions and actionable insights, it also extends its usefulness beyond live sessions. You can actually upload different files. So if I were to go to get a VTT transcript, for example, and then go here, press upload and add it to here and add the name, I actually have a couple of examples of this. Whether it's a recording or a TXT file, it will actually upload the file with the text coming from it. And then you can do the exact same thing by getting a summary, asking for things like action items, or asking a specific question here, like what are 3 takeaways from this call? And then that will write out very quickly, saying things like the client is looking for a technical writer to create comprehensive internal documentation for their software products. And you can get pretty creative with this. You can ask it to write bullet point highlights. You can ask any specific question that you'd want. And Tactiq here is just such a universally applicable and positive product for your business and or your personal use. If you're trying to get more out of your meetings so you can pay attention rather than having to write notes down, I really think you should try this out. Personally, I've used the product for a few years now, and I'm very happy with how it's enhanced my meeting experience. Seeing that transcription in real time, being able to reread what somebody just said is actually more helpful than you'd think. And then analyzing this afterwards is so useful. If you want to try this out, make sure to go to the link down below and try out Tactiq today. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.